Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 18th March 2026, Nifty index opened positive near 23,500 and moved in a volatile manner throughout the day. Swings were heightened with buying intensifying in the second half of the session. It crossed 23,650 to finally close with gains of around 170 points and formed a small body bullish candle with longer lower shadow indicating smart buying at lower levels. It has started to form higher highs from the last two trading sessions and concluded the session with the bulls on a firm low. India VIX was down by 8.4% to 19.8 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 1.09. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,100 to 24,100 marks, while immediate range could be in between 23,300 to 23,900 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 4,219 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,867 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 12.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 23,500 for the next up move towards 23,950 levels, while support have shifted higher to 23,300 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,750 for a bounce towards 55,500, while on the downside, support can be seen at 54,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BSE, MCX, Muthoot Finance, Hindalco, AU Bank, Torrent Pharma and CG Power. While some weakness could be seen in Bandhan Bank, Persistent, Coforge, Bajaj Finance and Hind Petro. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.